Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all well. I'm Leon Hughes and I produce content every week focused on video production, how to make money online, tutorials and entrepreneurship. So in today's video you're going to be learning all about how to script your own YouTube videos. So make sure to watch to the end and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so that you're in the know of every upload. So without any further hesitation, let's get into the video. So which software should you actually use when it comes to scripting your own YouTube videos? Well, me and my business personally recommend using Google Docs as it's free, it's by Google obviously because they own it, and well, it's in the name, and essentially it's basically with your Google account as soon as you create it. So basically you don't even have to pay for Google Workspace to use it, and it's got offline mode so that you can edit documents offline and when you're on the go. If you use Google Chrome, basically just open up Google Chrome and in the top right corner you should see a waffle icon. Click on that and you should see Google Docs. If you don't, scroll down until you see it and then drag it up to the top. Next up is how to use Google Docs to script your YouTube videos. So as I mentioned before, go to the waffle icon on the top right, go to Google Docs, and essentially you're met to this interface. Let it load up. And you're met to this interface. You can click, basically just start a new document and all that stuff, but there's there's 4 documents up there. So we're just going to go to one of them, and this is basically what it all looks like when it comes to scripting. So you got the video title, introduction, bullet points, key segments, and all that other stuff, and the parts of the video, and then you got the outro, which so that's basically the script right there. And well, if you want to, you can apply some of the stuff from this script and what me and my business use to your own scripts. And as I've mentioned as well, you do not have to pay for this, it automatically comes with your Google account after creating one. Why Google Docs is better than any other writing software? Well, as I've mentioned before, it's free, it comes with your Google account after you create one, and you don't require a subscription to use it. And you can use it offline as well. Things like Microsoft Office require a subscription which you have to pay a hefty price for, and other things as well. I think there's one called LibreOffice. I think that's more the next space though, but again, Google Docs is much more better, it's online based and it does not require a subscription at all. There will be a link in the description to Google Docs in case you want to try it out. That is the end of the video. If you wish to see more of this content, then make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on, leave a like and share as it's good for the algorithm and search results, and comment down below any video ideas and the best one will be pinned as top comment. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.